Guys, today I'm taking a look at this. This is a 20 watt USB-C charger from a company called Syncwire, and I'm going to tell you why this could be just what you're looking for, and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. First off guys, I'm just going to say that Syncwire sent me this to review. Thank you. However, if you follow my channel, you'll know that whether I'm sent something or whether I buy something myself, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. Now, although there are a ton of these chargers out there, and for a while we were kind of falling over them as every device that we ever bought seemed to come with one, but that's not the case anymore. In fact, quite the contrary. Device manufacturers aren't shipping chargers now, and if you look at any Apple phones of late, you definitely don't get a charger in the box anymore. And if you are an iPhone user, well, we all know that the iPhone 12 and now the newer iPhone 13 doesn't ship with a charger, and worse still, you have to pay a lot of Apple tax to get a new charger. So what do? We kind of revert back to using our old chargers. Now, the trouble is the original iPhone chargers were kind of like 5 watts, and don't worry, you haven't got to be an electrical genius to figure this out, but for most of us, 5 watts means slow. Your device charging at 5 watts will take a long time to charge, and we probably all remember that from times past. Now, Android devices like the OnePlus range, they've got like super fast chargers, like 50 watts, but these are usually quite big and bulky, and with our devices getting bigger and bigger, you might not want all that extra bulk from your charger. So this 20 watt charger from Syncwire may just be a nice halfway house. So let's take a look at it. So guys, nothing much in the box. You've got the charger and a small instruction manual. This is a UK plug, so it might just be adding a little bit of size with the big square bit on the end, but all in all, it's still a pretty small package. Now, plugging in this charger, you can see that it has a light on it to let you know that it's on. Strangely though, the light seems to stay on for quite a while after you've unplugged it, so I'm not really sure why that is, but I'm sure it's not a problem. Now, I'm going to see how this performs. I have an iPhone 12 mini, which we know doesn't charge as quickly as the full-blown iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro, but nonetheless, let's see. It's 17:07, so just gone 5:05 in the evening, and my phone has 83% charge in it. So I'm going to leave this on charge for 10 minutes just to see what kind of percentage increase we get. Now, let's remember the last 20% of charging a battery is probably the longest part to charge. So from 0 to 80% or 10% to 80% is usually the quickest time. But anyway, let's see how we get on. So guys, actually I left this on for 20 minutes. And this Syncwire 20 watt charger put 11% of charge into my iPhone mini. Now guys, I have an iPhone XS with 0%. So as you can see here, I'm pushing the power button, nothing's happening. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on charge and let's see how we get on with this. So this is from 0%. So guys, I left this on charge for 50 minutes and got a staggering 76% of charge, which isn't bad at all, especially from empty. So guys, now for a few specs. Input 100 to 240 volts, so this could be used pretty much all over the world. USB output 5 volts at 3 amps and 9 volts at 2.2 amps, so that's giving us a maximum power output of, as we know, 20 watts. This thing is pretty small, 30 by 30 by 30 millimeters, so tiny, right? And you know what? 35.8 grams, so this is super light. There's also a bunch of safety stuff, including over voltage, over current, over circuit, and over temperature protection. And this is the good bit. It's only £13, 13 British pounds in the UK. Honestly, you cannot go wrong. So guys, if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Until then guys, I will put a link in the description with any relevant codes or any discounts or anything like that. So if you're interested in buying one, you can do this by simply clicking on the link. And guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, please subscribe and smash that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.